My name is Nadia. I'm a plant biologist. I work at the Sainsbury Laboratory in Cambridge University, and I'm also the College Research Associate of the King's Entrepreneurship Lab here at King's College. So my expertise is in legume biology, anything that has to do with beans, and also peptides. Peptides are very small molecules that can control very important pathways in animals and also in plants. They work like on and off switches, and so what we can do with it in terms of growing our food is that if there is a stress coming, like drought or flooding, we know that it's coming because we are the human that is growing the plants. The plants would know, but what we can help the plants is actually to tell them by spraying the peptides, and that would actually help them to survive that stress. This is very important if we want to secure our food production, especially in climate change. What I really like about biology is that it's like a huge big story with a lot of little stories. One biological concept is like one tiny story. I really like the fact that I could bridge and connect all these stories into something that makes sense to me if I observe something in nature. You can observe things and you can actually explain that through biology, and how I would see those changes is actually through the tiny stories that I learn about. Now, as a person on the other side, on the research side, if I were to learn all those stories when I was in school or in university, now I'm at the other side who's actually looking at the stories and actually discovering all the mysteries that have not been solved yet. And the research part is actually trying to add more information, probably a few more sentences to that story. And the next generation would actually learn about those stories, and hopefully there will be more people that would add more information on those stories. So I'm actually building stories that all the old biologists have already found. And I think that's a very satisfying and a worthwhile pursuit for me. What advice would I say to someone who wants to study biological sciences? Go for it. Try it out. I think one thing that had served me was exploring things. There are things that I've explored and I don't really like it, but at least I know that I don't like that thing. To be honest, I didn't expect to become a plant biologist because initially during my undergrad, I thought that I would want to go into virology. But because I have explored plant biology during one of my summer holidays, I had a research stint at a plant biology lab that actually prompted me to go and pursue plant biology. And I don't think I could have done that if I didn't try. Just explore and see where it takes you.